Today we are going to discuss about India's IT Act that is in the year of October 17, 2000, notified in October 17, 2000. This one we also called as ITA 2000. And here now we are going to discuss about cyber law. The law that governs the cyberspace, we call it as a cyber law. So the Legal Regulations Act of Internet and WWW. That means the hacking or credit card details hiding, all those things will be controlled by cyber law. Now we are going to discuss about cyber crimes. First of all, I have to discuss about hacking. What you know that hacking, that is nothing but unauthorized people getting into the system and getting all those details into the system, getting all those details, that we call it as hacking. Now we are going for theft. That is nothing but if you are downloading videos, audios, or movies without violating the copyrights and getting all those details, that we call it as a theft. So now we are going for cyber stalking. That is nothing but online harassment of getting emails or voice message, vulgar messages through the system, that we call it as cyber stalking. So identity theft, that is nothing but we have all those details, credit card details, all those details will be those details will be taken by other person and getting all those products through online by using your credit card number, that we call it as identity theft. Now we are going to discuss about malicious software. So we know that all those softwares, we are getting all those pirated software that we are using in our system. So our network will be damaged, that we call it as malicious softwares. Next, we are going for sales and investment fraud. What is nothing but if you are purchasing items through the online, many of them are purchasing through online. Some of the things what they are doing is they are giving cheaper rate and giving the material also low quality material to us. So that we call that is sales and investment fraud. So they are giving a highest amount will be decreased and we are getting cheaper rate and cheaper qualities, that we call the sales and investment fraud. So the next one is electronic fund transfer. So we know that we are using a credit card and we are transferring money through online from one person to another person, but in this case in between they are setting as credit card informations will be the details they are getting and taking all those money, that will be directed to the person's details and the informations will be transferred from a normal person. Now it will be transferred to another person details and those person will get all those money, that we call it as electronic fund transfer fraud. So they are transferring, actually I want to transfer the money to some other people, it will be transferred to some other person. That is happening in electronic fund transfer. The next one we are going for defamation. That is nothing but the person or they are getting information. Defamation is nothing but it will be the person they entering into some other email account and sending messages, that vulgar messages or messages to peoples. So the persons lowering the images, that we call it as a defamation. That is the person who is entering into the system and some other people's system and giving messages to all other peoples, that is the vulgar messages, all those things, that we call it as what, defamation. Assault by threat, that is nothing but if a person or a family person are sending messages through the continuous messages to emails, that we call it as assault by threat. Denial of service attack is nothing but a legitimate user denied access to the services or resources of the network, we call it as DOS attack. The next one is child pornography, that is also everybody knows that these are the things coming under of your cyber crimes. I have explained today India's IT Act, that is another year of IT, October 17, 2000, cyber law, that is nothing but a law that space, cyberspace, and it will be regulatory act for internet and also WW. Mainly the cyber law that came in for hacking the papers and credit card details, all those will be taken by cyber law. And cyber crime is nothing but hacking, theft, cyber stalking, identity theft, malicious software, sales and investment fraud, electronic fund transfer fraud, defamation and assault by threat, and denial of service attack and child pornography, that is also coming out of your cyber crimes.